Welcome to the next section, arcs and circles. Right, drawing circles. I've just created a little sketch here, just drawn a couple of lines to indicate what we're talking about, how to demonstrate these things. If you look at our circle environment, there's a couple of choices we have in circles. 2 points, 3 points, radius, tangents, and close, these things like I showed before. Let's just pick the basic, but picking your basic icon, you'll see what pops down at the bottom here are 2 points. You have those choices anyway. Now, the little hint here, the first digit or number, if, for example, you want to draw a circle with a radius and 2 tangents, if you type in R, that's what it's going to choose. And then multiple will be multiple circles. They just type R and see what happens. It asks you for the first tangent point. Now, I'm not going to do something wrong here by mistake, so don't think it's bad. I'm going to pick a tangent point there, and I'm going to pick a second tangent point there. Now, if I type in a radius of 50 millimeters or 100 millimeters, you'll see it's probably, well, it's gone the right direction, which is kind of cool. The key, though, is that if you, let's just repeat that last command. If we draw that circle and we pick the tangent point, let's say R again for radius tangent, what's the first point here? And the second point is there, and I type in 100, it may jump somewhere else. What I'm showing here is that if you choose a radius that is, and that distance from this center point to there is less than 50 millimeters, it could jump to the other direction. It's not wrong, the program's wrong. You need to choose further than your radius that you want to choose, or which direction. So you can control the direction. Let's just delete that. Okay, next thing. I'm going to draw a circle literally with 2 points. You can pick a point, let's say a center point there, and pick a point there as perpendicular or something just to the end point there. That's drawing 2 circles, 2 points. Go back to our 3 point. What's the first point on the arc? Is circle. Second point is there, and the third point, it's going to, if you know 3 points on a circle, this is the kind of tools you're going to use. But you can use one command and literally, let's pick multiple here and ask me the first point on the circle. It's going to be there, and the second tangent point, which is kind of crazy, and the radius of the circle is going to be 100. Right, let's jump to arcs. Let's first delete some of these things here that could be in the way. And delete, we're done. Right, first arc, 3 point arc. Literally, where do you want your arc? It's at end point.